You got action adventure, you got drama, you've got family, you got horror, you got romance, you got thriller, music, crime. If you're looking for a completely free application that will give you access to thousands and thousands of free movies and free TV shows, then now this was posted a few days ago on Cord Cutter News, where we can see the article states YouTube is now offering more free movies and TV shows. Now it says here that the YouTube membership has lots to offer, but for people that don't want to pay for any kind of membership, any kind of subscription, you can actually get a very, very large collection of free movies and TV shows directly on YouTube. Now it says here that these are free to watch, they are ad supported, and titles rated PG or G can be watched without creating a YouTube account, but watching more mature content will require you to sign in for free. And it says every month YouTube update their movie collection, which you can then enjoy on your Firesticks, your Android TVs, on your phones, on your computers, really wherever you can access YouTube. You can now go ahead and access all of this free, fully licensed movie and TV show content. And they have all of your favorite genres like comedies, like animation, like horror, like musical, documentaries. All of that stuff is included. And here we can see some of the new stuff they've added just for December. So let's now jump over to my Firestick and let's see exactly what I can watch absolutely free. Now we can see on the left, you've got your standard menu, but we can see there is a dedicated section for movies and TV. Let's click on that. And we can see now at the top, we actually have a dedicated section for free with ads. So let's click on that. And you can see, guys, you've got access to all of these primetime movies that you can access directly on here. Lots of different things. Let's scroll down here. You've got animation, you've got action adventure, you've got drama, you've got family, you've got horror, you've got romance, you got thriller, music, crime. And it's not just these things here, guys. You can actually scroll to the right and you can see lots and lots of different things that are all available that you can access directly on here. So let's try this one for a second. Let's click on that. We can see exactly it's a 1 hour and 32-minute movie. I can click on play, and in a couple of seconds, I can skip the advert and I'm now straight inside that movie, and that's working great. And of course, guys, watching anything on YouTube, you're not gonna have any issues with buffering or stuttering. They definitely have the bandwidth or the infrastructure to handle all of the users that want to access all of this great free content. I can forward that a bit. That's working absolutely fine. Let's go back. Lots of horror content, lots of family content. All of this is available. Now, if for whatever reason, when you start YouTube, you don't see the movies and TV section, it could be because you don't have a USA IP address. So for the majority of my audience who are based in the United States, you can open up YouTube and you'll have access to all of this content. Now, if you're not in the United States, you can do what I've done here. As you can see here, it shows I'm connected to a server in Boston. Making that connection to Boston means that firstly, I have a USA IP address, but it also means that all of my data, all of my traffic, everything is being fully encrypted, fully protected, and it means that nobody can monitor my traffic, my ISP can't see what I'm doing, and because of this USA IP address, I can now go ahead and fully unlock all of my favorite content. And if you are looking for a great offer right now, just for the holiday season, a real special price, if you are looking for the best way to stay safe online, to hide your online activities, to change your IP address, to make sure that nobody, your ISP, anybody online can monitor you or track you, you can get this really fast, really good VPN from IPVanish at just $2.99 a month. It does help support the channel, so if you want to do that, many thanks. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment. You can take advantage of this special offer where you get 2 years plus an extra 3 months free. So really worthwhile checking out if you are in the market for a VPN. If not, then don't worry. Hope you guys have a great weekend and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.